So why is the product of the gradient of two lines perpendicular to each other is -1? So we have two lines over here, that is L1 and L2. Both are perpendicular to each other. So we need to prove that product of the gradients of these two lines is equal to -1. So we are going to prove it. Let me say that the gradient of L1 is, we say that let gradient of L1, and gradient is represented by M, so is tan theta 1, that one. Okay, that is the gradient of, L1. Similarly, the gradient of line 2 is tan theta 2. Now we have to prove that, what we have to prove, we have to prove m1 dot m2 should be equal to -1. Okay, let's prove that. So you can see that over here, you can see we have triangle over here, where this one is the first angle, that is theta 1. And what is theta 2 actually? The theta 2 is equal to, according to the property of triangle, as theta 2 is exterior angle, so theta 2 must be equal to, theta 1 plus 90 degree. So this exterior angle must be equal to the sum of these interior angles. This is the properties of triangle. So we have over here theta 2 is equal to theta 1 plus 90 degree. So we can say that theta 2 is equal to theta 1 plus 90 degree. So we can write simply theta 2 is equal to theta 1 plus 90 degree. Okay, so now taking tan on both sides, so we do have tan theta 2 is equal to tan theta 1 plus 90 degree. So over here, as we know that tan theta 2 is equal to tan theta 1 theta plus 90 degree, so it lies in second quadrant, so that must be equal to cot theta 1. So further we can simplify it, that becomes tan theta 2 is equal to -1 over tan theta 1, as we can write cot theta 1 as reciprocal of 1 over tan theta 1, right? So it can further written as tan theta 1 dot tan theta 2 is equal to -1. So now initially we have supposed something, that m1 is equal to tan theta 1 and m2 is equal to tan theta 2, as they both are gradient. So we can write here tan theta 1 is equal to m1 and tan theta 2 is equal to m2. So that must be equal to -1. So hence we have proved that the gradient of product of the gradient of two lines that are perpendicular to each minus 1. Hence we have proved.